Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 8, and today I'll show you how you can create folders on your home screen. So I'm going to adjust a few of these icons. At the first you have to click and hold one of the application icon, then drag this icon for another one, just like that. As you can see, the folder was created. Right now we can add here also other icons. And when you tap on this folder, it will be open. When you click right here, you can change the name of that folder. Click down to confirm. And when you tap here, you can quickly choose other apps that you want to add here. Then click OK, and as you can see, they are here. When you click outside, you will close that folder, and when you click and hold and drag that folder, we can move it like any other icon. When you want to remove that folder, you have to click hold, and as you can see, the folder cannot be deleted, so basically we can just click hold it, and we have to remove the icons manually, just like that. So unfortunately we cannot remove it, as you can see. So yeah, that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.